So hello everyone, in this video we learn about how to retrieve and deploy our changes from Visual Studio Code to our Salesforce org. So first of all we learn about how to retrieve our uh, Apex classes, Apex trigger from our Salesforce org to Visual Studio Code. So first of all let's create one Apex class from developer console. So uh, first we are going to create this Apex class. Click on this new button, Apex class, and give the name. Suppose my first Apex class. Let's create one simple method which print hello world message. So system.debug. Okay. So before retrieving our data in Visual Studio Code, first of all we have to connect our Visual Studio Code project with our Salesforce org. So if you are not connected, then simply go open command palette and search about authorize and org. Click on this and connect your Salesforce org with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now first you have to open this packet.xml. Here you have to give the specific type of data to retrieve in Visual Studio Code. So right now we are going to retrieve only Apex classes. Okay, so here star means all Apex classes which is available in our Salesforce org. So now we have to retrieve this Apex classes in Visual Studio Code. So simply right click on this packet.xml file, and here we have an option for a retrieve source in manifest from org. So just click on this option. So you can it can automatically retrieve our metadata and data into a Visual Studio Code project. Okay, so now we can open this classes folder here, and uh, here our first Apex class is retrieved successfully. So now let's make another method here. Suppose calculate sum of two number. So let's integer number 1 and integer number 2. Okay, and simply return the sum of both number. Integer. Okay, so now we are going to deploy these changes. Right now there is no method available exist in our Apex class. So simply we have to deploy this specific class. So just right click on this class, and here we have an option deploy this source to org. So click on this, it will automatically deploy our changes to our connected org. So let's refresh developer console here. And just open our Apex class. So we have successfully deployed our changes to our Apex class. So in the next video, we'll learn about LWC architecture, and then after we learn about LWC lifecycle hooks. So thank you so much for watching this video.